Welcome to Maths Lesson 9. Today's lesson is about mastering the operations, choosing and using your mathematical tools for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Our learning goal is to select and apply the correct formal written method for all four operations. Our success criteria include identifying operations, using column methods, applying short multiplication and the, quote, bus stop division, and verifying results with inverse operations. In the addition and subtraction toolbox, remember these three rules. First, align columns by place value. Second, use the carry rule in addition. Third, use the exchange rule in subtraction by borrowing from the left. For multiplication and division basics, use short multiplication by multiplying from right to left, and the bus stop method for division to see how many times the divisor fits into each digit. Let's work through an example of addition. 456 plus 378, which equals 834. Also, for subtraction, 512 minus 245 equals 267. Remember to exchange when the top digit is small. For multiplication, 142 times 5 equals 710. In division, 156 divided by 3 is 52. Follow the steps of short multiplication and the bus stop method closely. To wrap up, for addition and subtraction, keep your columns straight. For multiplication, work from right to left and carry when necessary. For division, use the, quote, bus stop method from left to right. Always check your work with the opposite operation. Now it's your turn. Practice these operations by completing the easy and hard questions provided on the screen. Here are the answers for Lesson 1. Check your work against the solutions for both the easy and hard sets of problems.